Whatever I got, it's not big. Oh, she's pretty. She's a pretty girl. She's a bluegill, but she's so pretty. Look at that. Nice. Look at that tail. She's so pretty. I caught a bass earlier, but it was such a fast release. That's a beautiful fish. Nice and healthy. Maybe this pond's coming back. Because she hadn't been doing very good, this pond. There you go. Got another little guy. Not sure what it is. Oh, it's a nice bluegill. Wow, she choked it. Look at that, nice copper nose. Beautiful. Let me get her off. Man, she did swallow it. Hold on 1 second. Bluegill is my second one over here. Nice. Look at those fins. That is a nice one. It's my second one like this.
Pretty one. Nice little male right there.
Yeah.
Keep her size.
And she has no ickies on her. The other one didn't either. Yeah, she's pretty. This is my second one. The other one was the same way. That's good size one. Same thing. Wow, these colors are gorgeous. That is such a gorgeous fish. I mean, I know they're just bluegill guys, but that is a gorgeous fish.
Another male.
All of them have been like that.
That's a nice one.
Yep. This guy, go. He's so pretty. Okay, come on now. The I don't know if you can see that purples, like the copper color, and the orange in the tail, green, and the stripes. She's so pretty. Or he. That's breeding colors, isn't it?
Yeah.
So pretty. That's the third one of those.
It's a female.
It's a female? She came out looking striped.
Not sure. It doesn't have the crown.
Yeah, she's different than the ones that I've been getting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Nice.
They're right in front of us. There's a school of them. It is pretty. Yeah, right in that area. Every time I was throwing in there, I get pow, hit. I know it wasn't just one.
You scared them all. Another gill, yep. Nice. I just love their tails. Look how red they are. It's amazing. They love these little things. Alright. There we go. Got myself a bass. Yeah. Jeez, dude. On a crappie jig. Hey, whatever works, right? Nice. Biggest fish of the day for me. Man, she's warm. Hot bass. Probably got hurt by some gars. You see that right there? Nice. Alright. for days, but we're having fun. I just caught one off the bank and slung it on the ground and back into the water, and now Caesar caught. I swear to God, the same one.
It's gotta be the same one.
Look at his face. Look at his face.
Yep.
Man.
He's flexing. I'm gonna let him go.
He's flexing.
He's flexing.
It's flare fish, man. Shoo. Oh, you got a turtle. It's one of the normal ones. It's not a bad one. And you caught his shell. Look at that little guy. Caught him right in the moss. What's up, little man? Oh, whoa. Get back here. Oh, yeah, I haven't unhooked you yet.
Careful.
He's good. You got the biggest catch of the day, see? He's cute. What's up, dude?
No harm.
He's all good. It was caught on the moss on his shell.
Catch and release. Watch out, don't break the camera.
That'd be cool. And you off. Go ahead. Hey, you want to see if we can catch a gar? I don't know if y'all can see him. He's right there in front of me. He's got it. I actually have him hooked. Woo, Nelly. There we go. I was not expecting to catch him. I figured he'd spit it for sure. Alright guys, now for the fun part. I gotta get him unhooked. Hold on 1 second. Alright guys, nice little gar. Really inside. There we go.
It's gonna hurt you. Careful.
Strong, slimy thing. There's your gar for you. Nice Florida gar. Man, I just cannot get a hold of him. Hold on. Alright, we got him.
Get that thing away from you.
And we're gonna go. No, in the water, dum-dum. There you go. Sorry, guys. He's in the water, guys. Look at this little guy I caught, guys. Teeny weeny. Just fishing with little baits anyways. He's a cutie. Look at that guy. I'm sorry, I know he's little, but he's like the perfect bass. Look at that guy. Cute little guy. Alright, time to let him go. He's a cute little booger. Call him right there. That little clump of grass right there. Good big guy. No, you're supposed to jump that way. Goober.